Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks. Knew that ass was real when I hit it, bounce back. You ain't getting checks. Last night took a.
What is going on, AIM fans? It's your boy Prizzo, and today I'm actually bringing you the AIM Higher Recruitment Challenge. Before we get this started, I just want to say the clan tag that we're doing is WAH1 because it's We Aim Higher 1. It's the first RC that we're coming out with. The deadline will be 3 weeks, so you have until May 16th, 2017. Alright, so to start this off, for the trick shotters, go for 720s or higher. So like 720s, 1080s, 1440s, 1800s, 2160s, you know, all that good stuff. We are actually recommending next gen games like Black Ops 3, Infinite Warfare, Modern Warfare Remastered, and within these clips, I do not want any setting up or aimbot clips at all. If I see any EB clips or anything in the response, I will immediately click off and will not recruit you. All of these, as you can see, say tag at PrizzoFFA and at LucidSkedsy. You can tag both of us, and we will be sure to check out your response and make sure everything is all good and make sure that everything is all fair. Okay, so for the snipers, go for quads or higher. I would actually prefer 5-ons plus because that would actually look good for our team Tages. We currently are going through getting ready for aim cams, so if you'd like to participate in the team Tages, if we think your clips are better for sniping and trick shotting, then we will throw it in our team Taj and you will be added to the team, and we have big plans for us. Next gen is also recommended, so like the new Call of Duties, like I just explained for the trick shotting. Quality over quantity, we would rather see clean clips. Like we would rather have like one nice clip in your response other than having just a whole response that is really crappy. Like if it's really crappy, we won't really look at it or pay attention to it. So for the next part, for designers, make the team or a player a revamp. We would like to see speed art from your channel. If you would like to do a speed art, all you gotta do is, for all of you designers, I'm going to be putting the 2D and 3D PSDs in the description below, so you can go download those and send us some awesome responses. Please link your ports with your response or responses. You can do as many as you'd like. That would be amazing because I want to see how good of designing y'all do. Next thing, for editors, make a 30-second long edit. At least 30 seconds, or it can be more. You can use clips from players in AIM, but also just be unique with your edits. Don't steal edits from people. Like, if you'd like to make your own little video, I will also try and put the intro, or the intros, I should say, in the description as well below, so you can download those and send us some pretty amazing edits. So with the common thing, all of these, for all of your responses, please tag the AIM Twitter. It's at Team AIM GG, capital G's. I guess it should come up either way, whichever way you type it. In your responses, if you link us on YouTube, please title it hashtag AIMRC and then put the clan tag in your response. Also, please tag either me or Skedsy in your response, and we would love to check that out. That is going to be it for this video. If you did happen to enjoy, please smash the like button below. Also, please stay tuned for aim cams coming up. If you're a sniper or trick shotter, link us your responses in however many videos you'd like, and we would gladly add you to the aim cams for the RC winners. And yeah, it's been your boy Prizzo, and I'm out. Peace.